Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion faster. Let's start by optimizing your database views. Too many visible properties can significantly slow down loading times, so try to keep them to a minimum. Applying strict filters and sorts ensures Notion only loads the data you absolutely need, making your pages much snappier. Also, be mindful of complex roll-ups and relations, as these can add considerable overhead. Next, let's talk about streamlining your page content. Heavy embeds, like large PDFs or complex web clips, can really drag down performance. Consider linking to external content instead of embedding it directly. If you have extremely long pages, breaking them into smaller linked subpages will help Notion load only what's necessary. Also, be cautious with too many synced blocks, as they require constant updates across your workspace. Maintaining a clean workspace is crucial for speed. Regularly archiving or deleting old, unused pages and databases prevents Notion from loading unnecessary data. Think of it like decluttering your digital desk. Consolidating duplicate information also helps, as Notion won't have to process redundant entries. And don't forget to empty your Notion trash bin periodically. Those deleted items still consume some resources until permanently removed. Finally, let's look at enhancing your Notion app performance. For the best experience, I highly recommend using the dedicated Notion desktop application, as it often runs more smoothly than the web version. A stable and fast internet connection is also vital, especially when syncing large amounts of data. If you prefer the browser, regularly clearing your browser's cache can prevent old data from slowing things down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.